Yes, good morning, and welcome to the next day, I believe. So yeah, I hope you guys are doing great. So you might have noticed I've removed the self-leveling suspension at the back, and then I've put normal shocks, right? However, it's still not as low as I want it to be, because if you can see, I can still fit like maybe I can barely fit three. Okay, I can fit two fingers, right? So what I'm gonna do today, I know this is a crazy idea, and you guys should not come for me on the comments. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually, because I have lowered the springs already, I have lowered the car, but however it's not as low as I wanted it to be, right? So what I will do is I will be I will be cutting the springs, right? But I'm only just gonna do one coil because I don't want it too low, because I mean my car should represent that sticker right there, right? So we're going low or what. So however, what I'll be doing, the catch is I'll actually be doing it in such a way, like the budget way basically. So as I mentioned, don't come for me on the comment section, right? I'm gonna be doing it easily. I'm gonna try and do it as cheap as possible, but however I also want quality, and I'm also going to yeah, I'm just gonna do it like that. So I'm just gonna make it as easy as possible. I'm gonna try and make it easy for you guys, so in case if anyone wants to do the same thing on their Mercedes or any car rather. So I'm just gonna cut one coil from the springs, and then hopefully that should lower it to the height that I'm looking for. Because right now I can barely, okay, at least the front I can like on the front at least I can I can barely fit two, right? So I can only fit like one. So if I can cut one, at least I won't be able to fit a finger there. That's what I'm looking for. And then if you look at the height here, I can fit like my whole hand basically. So it's like 5 fingers, right? So at least I should get like 3 fingers from that, and then that should be good. So yeah, that's the plan for today. So I'm gonna start off with the front, and then after I'm done with the front, and then I'm gonna come back and do the back, right? So yeah, I hope I don't ruin this good looking Mercedes. But it should look very nice after that. So yeah, let's get into the video.
Time it is, ayy. You know what time it is. Road to fame, ayy. Oh now, 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 road to fame, ayy. Never allow my nigga, we in the game, ayy. Spread some love now, we making it, ayy. Oh now, we making it, ayy. Nah, road to fame, ayy. Never lie, my nigga, we in the game, ayy. Spread some love now, we making it, ayy. Oh, now we making it, ayy. I'm sorry if I'm going soon. Don't be alert if I'm getting to a grudge. I be so sad if she say she don't love me. If I'm getting high, just check me in the mall. Exit mark me mal if she getting lonely. I'm so high when she say she love me. Take it to the top when she think she got it. Take it to the top when she think she got it. We don't play like that. Yeah, we running the street. Yeah, we making the cash. Yeah, we making the scene. Talk a lot and we done. Yeah, we making the lead.
2 days later.
Okay, so yeah, I have checked the car. So yeah, that's the spring I'll be removing, right? So yeah, that's basically it. So I'm still thinking of a game plan. However, when it comes to safety, so I've got my jack there, then I've also got my dresser stand there, so balancing the car. So the car is actually really stable. So yeah, and then so now the hard work starts. I need to I was thinking because I've already cut the springs and I've done it before, so there is a special technique. I'd recommend that you don't do it. If you do have spring compressors, just use like your normal spring compressors. I do have, but however, I like taking risks, and I'm just gonna, yeah. However, if what I do prefer is that if you do have spring compressors, just use those. However, what I will be doing is I'm gonna be using a whole different method, which is actually kind of safe as well because I've used it before. So let's see what we can get out of it.
2 days later.
So yeah, so let's go put it in and see how low it gets. So yeah.
So yeah, so as I mentioned, we'll be beginning with the back part of the left side of the car. So let's begin with that, and I hope you guys enjoy and learn as much as I did.
Hey, you know what time it is, hey, you know what time it is. Road to fame, hey, road to fame. Oh now, road to fame, hey, road to fame. Oh now, road to fame, hey, oh now, road to fame, hey, oh now, road to fame, hey. Never allow my nigga, we in the game, hey. Spread some love now, we making it, hey. Oh no, we making it, ay. Nah, road to fame, ay. Never lie, my nigga, we in the game, ay. Spread some love now, we making it, ay. Oh no, we making it, ay. I'm sorry if I'm going soon. Don't be alert if I'm getting to a growth, yeah. I be so sad if she say she don't love me. If I'm getting high, just check me in the mall. She mock me mal if she getting lonely. Since I'm so high when she say she love me. Take it to the top when she think she got it. Take it to the top when she think she got it. We don't play like that. Yeah, we run in the street. Yeah, we making the cash. Yeah, we making the scene. Talk a lot and we done. Yeah, we making the lead. Feeling I'm gonna shot. Took doors to the king. Feeling I'm a key. Took doors to the king. Yeah, we making the cash, celebrating my life. Bet they get by my side. If she's crying, she's mine. If she do and I do, I am. I'm sorry if I'm going soon. Don't be alert if I'm getting to a ground, yeah. I be so sad if she say she don't love me. If I'm getting high, just check me in the mall. Ex mag me mal if she getting lonely. Susan, I'm so high when she say she love me. Take it to the top when she think she got it. Take it to the top when she think she got it. I'm so weak. I'm so weak. I'm so weak. Ay, it's my inner soul. Ay, talk all out with the money, gun, and we making cash. Ay, if she cry again, ay, don't let me asleep. Ay, if she walk again, ay, don't let her astray. Ay, and I'm making cash, my nigga, yeah, we making cash. Ay, oh nah, I'm so weak. If I'm going soon, don't be alert if I'm getting to a coach. I be here so sad if she say she don't love me. If I'm getting high, just check me in the mall. Except my green model if she getting lonely. Susan, I'm so high when she say she love me. Take it to the top when she think she got it. Take it to the top when she think she got it. We don't play like that. We run in the street, we making it good, we making it sick. So girl, I lay it down, we making it lit. Baby, I'm gonna shine. So girl, it's to the king. Ay.
Alright, it's all finally done right now. And yeah, so the spring is back in, the shock is back in, so now I'm just gonna put back the tire, then we see how low it sits.
So now, I'm gonna be doing this side, right? I'm gonna show you how we do the front, and then yeah, take it from there.
Yeah, school, ay, nigga, I'm a Yankee. Ay, yeah, nigga, I'm a Yankee. 10 shot from a ghetto, I be holding my head. 943, nigga, we coming alive. I say flop on Jagger, we coming alive. Yeah, nigga, I'm a Yankee. 10 shot from a ghetto, I be holding my head. 943, nigga, we coming alive. I say flop on Jagger, we coming alive. Our mama Zala, I say flop and we keep on pushing. Never lie, and it is a katata. Never lie, and it is a katata. Never lie, our mama Zala, I say flop and we keep on pushing. Never lie, and it is a katata. Never lie, and it is a katata. Never lie, and it is a mazala. I say flop and we keep on pushing. Never lie, and it is a katata. Never lie, and it is a katata. Never lie, and it is a mazala. 10 shot from a ghetto, I be holding my head. 943, nigga, we coming alive. I say flop on Jagger, we coming alive. Yeah. Nigga, I'm a Yankee. 10 shot from a ghetto, I be holding my head. 943, nigga, we coming alive. I say flop on Jagger, we coming alive. Yeah. I say flop and we keep on pushing. Never lie, and it is a katata. Never lie, and it is a katata. Never lie, our mama Zala. I say flop and we keep on pushing. Never lie, and it is a katata. Never lie, and it is a katata. Never lie, and it is a mazala. I say flop and we keep on pushing. Never lie, and it is a katata. Never lie, and it is a katata. Never lie, and it is a mazala. 10 shot from a ghetto, I be holding my head. 943, nigga, we coming alive. I say flop on Jagger, we coming alive. Yeah. Nigga, I'm a Yankee. 10 shot from a ghetto, I be holding my head. 943, nigga, we coming alive. I say flop on Jagger, we coming alive. Yeah.
True. Just look at how she looks. Yo, my grandfather would be angry at me here. Be like, Kevin Antonio Tropi Mutabantavatalo Vega Pines. Whose car is this on the floor? Yes, but this car's very nice, guys. So tell me what you think. And yeah, do you like how it looks like? Do you think I did it too low, or is it still too high? Should I drop? Just like let me know in the comment section what you think. But yeah, this is the final job.
Spread some love now, we making it. Oh no, we making it.
Yo, so we were finished with the car, just washed it, and then I was pulling it outside, and then boom, my sump is gone. So I was driving it, pulling it outside, and then there was a trestle in front of the car which I didn't see. Stepped on it, hit my sump, all the oil came out. I guess this is what you get for having a lowered car. Yes. My grandfather wouldn't be happy with me now.
When she said she loved me, take it to the top when she think she got it. Take it to the top when she think she got it. We don't play like that.